Welcome to the love land, baby. Baby girl, you're the one in my heart I want. I looked all over the world for one like you and I found none. I know I'm not a perfect guy, there's a lot to understand. But at least when you're perfect, perfect with your imperfections. In this world I've got all family, friends and enemies. You're just the one I need, cause you're just exactly how I like my woman. So beautiful, fierce and feisty, just like Uspingumal. Also with a bit of hustling skills like Untogomal. Yeah, when I swear I would fall for you even if there was no gravity on earth. Cause I took an oath to always put you first. I swear if you're a beggar at McDonald's, you'd be my gorgeous. If you're me, let me be a dish and carry you on. And we carry on. Welcome to the love lane, baby. Baby girl, I wanna treat you so badly, but tear silent, yeah, eat. I like it when you prepare me a meal, sing my meal, making me a meal. By then, I can decide whether to eat before I eat, or I eat while eating, or eat after eating. So blessed. I like how your thighs thin, but patience stick. For that forever and ever with you I'd stick. You know I may look normal, but I sometimes talk to your pictures, have a smile and some laugh. Say when I was for you I'd go to the moon and back with some stars and beg to put a ring on your second left finger and let you do those BJs die dang. Cause you are my never wanna lose. Whenever I see you I feel crazy like I've lost some screws. And that's because of my love for you, Bridget and Royce.